Welcome to another video, friends. All right, in this one I am comparing the Beats Pro Studio Pro headset headphones with these ANC hybrid noise canceling ones I found on Amazon. These ones are $69.99 and these ones are $349.99. So can you tell the difference here? Can I tell the difference? Okay, the Beats one actually feels slightly heavier. As far as the quality, they seem to be pretty much identical. This one folds up nicely, just like that. And the Beats one also a little bit stiffer on the fold up there, but the Beats one folds up a little smaller. As you can see, the headphones are a little thicker on this one. Okay, so these ones kind of click in and out, and they click into place. The Beats ones and these ones, they have a click also, but just not as stiff going in, but pretty stiff going back out, so they're not automatically. As far as comfort level, very nice. These are quite cozy. I don't feel like they're falling off my head or anything like that. The right amount of pressure seems like right there. Let's test out the Beats now. I'm not sure which one's supposed to be right or left. Okay, it actually says left ear. This one has a smaller indicator, just barely written right here. This one actually says on your headphone set, the big L right there, so you can see it. So a little bit tighter on the ears there. Okay, very comfortable as well though, as you would expect. The padding is on the top. I can't tell the difference. The side, it's very thick padding there. Both, I can't really tell the difference, except this one's thicker. All right, well, let's listen to some sound, some noise canceling. So see what I got hooked up first on my phone here on the Bluetooth. I'm going with the less expensive ones right here. All right. Let's get some tunes going here. Switching to transparency mode. Just no ANC off right now. ANC on. I'm going to see how loud these things get. Wow. Those get crazy loud. Okay, the buttons are super intuitive. They're not close together. They're all on the side here. Very easy to find. I'm not pushing multiple buttons at the same time. And the ANC is right here in the back. So you can just reach up. One hand does it all. Easy to do right there. Very impressive. Actually, the sound is really good. Active noise canceling is impressive. Transparency mode, all impressive on this thing. I'm impressed. All right, switching over to Beats mode. One thing, this does not have its own app for it, which the Beats, you can get an app. All right. Now we're connecting to the Beats Pro here. And let's see, left ear and right ear, okay. Switching over to my music. All right, actually, obviously, excellent sound with these. I'm trying to switch it over. I don't know if I can switch transparency mode or this. I can't find it on here as far as just like being able to press a button and it switches the transparency modes. Maybe I'm missing something. I could pull up the app though. And now it's noise cancellation. So I have to do it on the app? I can't just switch on the Beats thing? That can't be right, right? There's a little button right here on the bottom. That turns it off, okay. Okay, we're connected. That's frustrating. I can't change the transparency mode unless I go with the Beats app. Is that what's going on here? So transparency mode is pretty good. Now off, active noise canceling is off, and just regular where these are acting as like kind of like hearing protectors. Okay, well, excellent sound. Obviously with the Beats, they have really good sound, but unless I'm missing something, I can't turn off the thing. I'm going to test the range on these right now and see how far away I can go with Bluetooth and which Bluetooth range is better. So here we go. Got my Beats going. Go ahead and put my music back on. Just going to leave my phone here, walk away, and I'll be right back. Okay, so you can actually use the active noise canceling on the Beats by double tapping the power button. I gotta say, the controls on the less expensive one are a lot more intuitive for me. I mean, it's as simple as pressing this button once, twice, or 3 times. The power button, you can just press it, hold it down to turn it off. The Beats one, you gotta double tap it, and it's on the right side, the other one's on the left side. With this, everything is on the left side. The buttons, skipping, I could skip to the next one if I want to, or pause, power, all those. So I have to say, for me, the cheaper ones seem to have a better, more intuitive design as far as just the where the buttons laid out are. Okay, so I have both active noise canceling on. I'm going to see which one. So the active noise canceling, it's slightly better with the Beats, just with no music playing. I think, they have the Beats, yeah, okay. So slightly better with these, and I think that's only due to this is a little bit tighter on the head, and that pushes out a little bit tighter on your ears. That's the only thing I can think of that the difference might be. So that is just a little bit pushing this on. I mean, if this is pushing it on my head like that, as tight as this one is, then the noise canceling would be almost indistinguishable between each other. So I guess the Beats win with the noise canceling. Comfort, I can't tell the difference, guys. I can't. They're identical to me. As far as they both stay on really well. As far as the range on the Bluetooth, they both conked out about the exact same distance away. I went outside when they hit that marker. They both went out at the same distance. So both have really good Bluetooth distance. Battery, the knockoff or the less expensive one is supposed to go 100 hours of playtime. This has, I think, 60 or 40 on the Beats. I haven't played straight. This has 800 mega amp hours, I'm not sure where the Beats, I couldn't find that on there. It's like how many megaamp hours of battery this has. Also, this has the Beats has a quick charge though. So all in all, guys, like I said, the Beats are a little bit heavier as well. As far as sound quality, I can't tell the difference. They're both really good. Comfort, they're both really comfortable. And yeah, so the Beats slightly better with noise canceling, and these ones better intuitive design as far as I'm concerned. This is my opinion with where the buttons are. Anyways, my friends, well, overall, if I were to make a choice, if I were to spend the money, I would probably just get these for 60 bucks instead of spending 300 and whatever for these. So that's my opinion. Thanks for watching this video, my friends. Hope you all have a great day, and I'll see you next time.